In today's video, I'll show you how to create a powerful opening where a sudden burst of light strikes the screen and reveals your video with a bold and dramatic impact. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed right at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an intro, so the impact feels intentional and synced. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Scorch Imprint, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, a sharp light impact flashes across the screen, leaving a scorched visual impression as the video is revealed underneath. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how aggressive the impact feels. Shorter duration makes the hit sharp and explosive. Longer duration slightly softens the effect, making it feel more cinematic and controlled. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the light impact lands perfectly with your beat or visual cue. And that's it. You've successfully added a light impact scorch reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.